Hello there. Hello there, it's Rob, and as we continue through this series of videos, I'm going to show you through ClickBank. As you can see now, I'm logged in at the dashboard of ClickBank, and this is the newer interface. In the old days, it looked a lot different. But what you do is once you've set up your account, which you can do at clickbank.com, you click on Accounts, and then you'll see your nickname. So you click on that, and it shows you your stats, how many sales, etc., that you've had. And what you want to do is go to the marketplace to actually select products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different categories here, so you can browse through them and pick what you want, but you can also just click on find products without actually putting anything in there, and it will bring up some products for you to have a look at. What you can do is click on Gravity, and if you look here, you can see gravity for this one, 799. What gravity is, it's how many people have made sales of this product in the past month. That's just a rough explanation about gravity. But basically, the higher the gravity, the more sales they're getting through various different affiliates. And you can see average conversion. So that's how much you would earn on average if you promote certain products. So if you decide you want to promote, you actually just click on promote, and then you see your account nickname there. Then you generate a hop link. You pick if you want to go to a landing page or text sales page in this situation. So I'll pick the text option. So click generate hop links, and there it gives you some weird looking link, which is here, which is what you use to promote. But it's best to use a link shortener or mask the link, which will be covered in another video, because you don't want such weird looking links showing up. But anyway, I'll take you to the sales page. And there you have it. So this is a text sales page. As I selected that option, you quite often have video sales pages which go for like 10-15 minutes. So you click on buy now, and I'll just show you what to look for to make sure your link is working. So see down the bottom there, it's got affiliate equals RPJK1966. So if you've got a friend or someone to test out your link, you'd get them to go to the order page, or you can do it yourself actually, and just make sure your ID is showing up. So when you have someone order, you will receive your payment through ClickBank. And going back to ClickBank, so there's a whole lot of products, as I mentioned. Also on here, you've got reporting. And in reporting, you can see here where I'm highlighting over on the left, the product vendors that I've had clicks for. So 1 click for this one, 3 for that. Dentitox one I just clicked on is right here. So you see the stats are updated quite quickly, and you get all the information about what's going on with ClickBank. As I've mentioned in an earlier video, there are various marketing platforms you can use, affiliate platforms you can use, such as Amazon, Share a Sale. So watch the earlier videos to get a quick overview of them. But basically, that is ClickBank for you. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how you can mask your links and track your links to see where traffic is coming from that you're sending to these ClickBank offers. So that's an important part of affiliate marketing. You need to know where traffic is working for you, and also to mask your links like in ClickBank, so they're not so weird looking. So look for that in the next video. It'd be great if you can give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you're watching this for the first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And that is all for now. Catch you in the next video.